Hey guys, welcome back. The next plugin we are looking at is called Tagvenue. So you can search for events and spaces in Australia, Canada, Ireland, Singapore, UK and US at the moment. I'm not sure any other geographies is supported. I've installed this plugin and I've also enabled this plugin. Now let's see what this plugin can do. So the first part of this is Tagvenue plugin allows ChatGPT Plus users, which is you and me, to find the perfect event, space or venue for the next event with the access to spaces in various locations, which we have already looked at. Makes it convenient and first free for users to find information about pricing for various venues when enabling this plugin. It is particularly useful for venue managers and offers valuable features functionalities that can enhance the venue event management workflows by integrating into your existing systems. Can streamline various tasks such as booking, customer communications and more. As a potential customer, it also makes it easier to find the right venue. If you are individual, not an event manager, that's still useful for you. Besides its classic features, it's also customizable and allows user to allows customers and prospect customers to browse exclusive deals packages. Users don't need to be tech savvy to use this plugin. So basically, the first one, this is the workflow I'll be walking through. First, we have to decide on the details of the venue. So you will need to know the number of people attending the venue and the type of venue you need and the type of event. Next, share details. For example, I'm planning a 30th birthday party in London for 50 people. And similarly, it will give you the venues that match your criteria. It will consider the size, type of the event suitable for the location. It will present you with a list of suitable venues. Each venue will come with a link that can click to view details of the Tagvenue platform. So browse the options and choose the best venue that suits your needs. And you can proceed to book the venue on the Tagvenue platform. So let's look at some examples and see how we can use it. And if you want better use, it is always recommended to be specifics. So specify the number of people. So quantify data to get better results. Similarly, type of event. So is it a conference or are you looking to host a pre-wedding party, wedding party, corporate event, coffee, afternoon tea, art studio? And specify the neighborhood if you want specific neighborhood, and ISO code would be helpful. And specify the geographical polygon. That would like write corners of the polygon, and also specify the optional parameters. So if you want number of items returned, page number and other stuff. So let's look at some example prompts. So I am planning a corporate event for 100 people in UK. I need a venue in-house air catering conditions on August 15th, right? So if you run this query, so you will get a result which match this. And if you don't do it, basically you can also specify the budget. So if you are more interested in budget, you can also list it. So let's look at the next one after our first result is through. So it's using the Tagvenue platform and these are the parameters it gave, and let's wait for it to return back the result. So it's giving us a list of venue and the cost for that venue here. So it's a 3-minute walk from here. Capacity is 150 and 120 seating. Price is, I think it should be in, I think it's pound. I don't know the exact currency. Yeah, I think UK currency is pound, I guess. So yeah, it should be pound. So the next one is, we are going to ask a similar query in Australia. So I'm looking for a wedding venue in Sydney, Australia for 200 guests. And my budget is between 2,000 to 5,000 Australian dollars. As soon as this completes, let's run the next follow-up query. So yeah, and if you click on this, it should basically take you to the platform and it gives you all the info. You can inquire, select the date and book it. And basically that's the thing. So whatever price that's displayed there, it's there. And if you are flexible with non-peak hour rates, you can also do that here. So let's move on to our next prompt. And after this, I have similar prompts for you. You can also try this out. So let's also try the New York one. I think that's also pretty popular. So let's try to do this after this. So my next query would be, I'm organizing a birthday party for 30 people in New York. I need a venue with music and a dance floor. And yeah, it roughly take a minute or two for you to fetch the results back. And in the end, we'll also look at what are the benefits of using this for venue managers versus whatever way you are currently doing it. So one is the one benefit they talk about is enhanced customer benefit, 24/7 support, increased efficiency, personalized recommendations, higher conversion rates, cost effective, and scalability. And yeah, so you got the venues here. So let's move on to the next one, to the New York one. And after this, one more pro tip I have is use as much details as possible if you want to optimize your time and also reduce the amount of queries and time you spend on it. So we already looked at the six benefits of several benefits of using this for venue managers. And yeah, so like the only thing I would say is um, it will revolutionize the customer experience with enhanced support. It personalizes it, increased efficiency and availability. And venues will benefit from improved. How will listing your venue on this help you? It will help you from improved conversion rates, cost effectiveness, and scalability. So this advantages experience would benefit the venue sites as well as the user experience and drive growth for both. And Tagvenue is a platform which enables this for both. So that's the advantage of doing this. And it's a win-win for both the customer as well as the venue. So that's all I had for this. I hope this helps. Thank you for